Pag nagkasya ko, kwento wala pa na wala. Talaga naawa talaga ako kasi kita ko, nagkamali siya, nanginginig ko niya. Diba? Naalam yung sila.
One time lang.
One time lang.
Kasi naiilang yata siya pag the whole cast is there sa table yung eksena. Para ako nabata rin ako, di ba? May eksena gano'n na pagkasama yung mga seniors, parang naku-conscious ka. So, naiintindihan ko talaga yan. I had to tell talaga sa bahay. Like, kasi mo yung nervous mo na yan. Kaya magaling ka naman.
Tama.
Magaling ka naman sa akin. Magaling mo. Magaling yung ano mo. Basta, bitawan mo lang mga takot.
Tsaka gwapo. Gwapo siya.
Tsaka gwapo daw.
Pag gwapo ka, parang hindi ka pwedeng magkamali.
Can I add something?
Yes, please.
You know, Andres, I'm really very proud of you. Actually, both of your kids. Because kasi, you know, if you're a newcomer, minsan, lalo na, this show, they're so good looking. There's some actors na parang they're so conscious about pangit ba ako dito or whatever. Sila, they just jump into the scene kahit awkward yung magiging tsura nila or something. Malalakas ang loob. And even I can see that during the first taping most especially, medyo si Andres, you know, he was because of the lines, he can actually do it kasi Tagalog. But what I like about him is matapang siyang bata. And he's willing to learn. And I think that's the most important thing for him. Kasi, you know, para sa isang artista, naisip, anak ako na artista. You know, anak ako na sikat artista. So, lahat kayo makibagay sa akin. Walang ganon. And I think this is something that Aga and Charlene should know, that we raised very good kids.
Yes.
Very good kids na walang yabang at saka, you know, nasa title role na sila kaagad, but you can never feel na parang nagpapaka-importante. They're very nice with the staff. Hindi spoiled ng mga bata, pero yun nga, Andres, you're doing very well. Siguro may mako-conscious ka kasi kinukwento itong mga ano mo, but it's something that's very natural, and I appreciate it well that, you know, you're always there you're trying to learn, and I'm very proud of you.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Ako din naiyak din, thank you.
Ako din po naiyak, hindi ko naman sila anak.
Alam mo kahit tingnan mo yung itsura niya, parang pinaghalong Richard Gomez at Aga Mula. Diba? Grabe, pero napaka-humble. Si Tasha naman, napakagaling at talagang tinuturuan niya si Andres pagdating na doon sa pagkatagalog kasi sanay na siya. Oo, grabe si Tasha. Si Tasha ang pinaka-the best actress in Europe.
Hindi ko expect yun, kuya. Pero naman nakakatuwa kasi habang sinasabi ni Miss Cesar, kita ko how proud si Sir Aga and si Miss Shirley of these children. But I also saw Atasha. While Miss Cesar was talking about you, Andres, she's so proud of you. Grabe. I saw her face. Nakakatuwa.
Natasha, reaction.
Natasha, what can you say? What can you say, Natasha? Magaling ka.
Parang tiga-tundo lang eh.
Magaling ka. We're all very proud of you kasi for a first-timer. First time on set na meron kang lines at you have to act. For a first-timer, magaling. Magaling, mahusay, at talented. So keep it up. Just keep on going.
Magaling ka.
Magaling ka. Diba? Nakakatuwa na rin makita ang excited of the Mulan family. Tita sa salamat sa sinabi mo. Nakakayak yung kanina. Salamat. Maraming salamat talaga. So I just wish you well. And Natasha, the best. Coming from me, really, para sa kanila sasabihin ko na I just want to wish you both the best. All the luck in the world. And just always pray. I always tell you guys that always pray. You know the magic and the power of prayers. One day, siguro may na-realize it now, but someday, at some point, you'll know how God works.
Amen.
Amen.